Hello, I'm Elisa from ByAnnie.com and Patterns by Annie. Join me as we head across the Atlantic to visit Lovely Jubbly Fabrics in Ferndown, Wimborne, the grand prize winner for the United Kingdom in our 2024 local quilt shop contest. When it comes to sewing, Jade Newman has done it all. Initially trained as a costume designer, Jade started her sewing journey in theater and film. After some time in the industry, Jade began designing handbags. With social media being in its infancy, she had to rely on her own pattern cutting experience to learn the craft. As she grew in the skill and more people took notice of her bags, people began asking her where she got her fabrics. So in 2015, Jade, who is already planning to expand her business, decided to begin selling quilting fabrics. They were her go-to fabric for makeup bags since she liked the colorful prints. It has now been over 8 years since Jade first expanded into owning a physical storefront, and 1 year since she moved into her current space. Unlike many stores, Lovely Jubbly Fabrics doesn't have consistent hours. Instead, they are open for certain weeks during the year when they host events. They are one of the biggest independent stockists of ByAnnie patterns and supplies, as well as Tula Pink fabrics in the UK. They also carry Aurifil and Metler threads, bag-making supplies, stabilizers and tools, patterns, and piles of beautiful fabric. Jade has worked hard to organize the store in a way that customers see a rainbow wherever they look. Helping her with Lovely Jubbly is her longtime best friend, Lindsay Norris. She's the one dressed as a unicorn. Lindsay joined Jade about 3 years ago, and Jade says she doesn't know how she survived without her. The customers are also grateful for Jade and her team. Leslie told us, Jade and her team are so passionate and always go above and beyond with everything they do. We are totally spoiled with variety, quality, and inspiration. And Natalie said, Jade and her team go out of their way to select the loveliest sewing goodies for all her customers to treat themselves to. Despite mainly functioning as an online business, Jade has built a community of sewers who look to her for quilting inspiration and to source only the best materials. Those who are lucky enough to visit the studio when they're open will be shocked to find this colorful shop is in the middle of a very corporate business center. But the rest of the Ferndown area has lots of beautiful beaches to explore. Lovely Jubbly is located in one of the most gorgeous spots in the UK. They have 7 miles of sandy beaches, and they're right next to the world-famous Jurassic Coast, Corfe Castle, the New Forest, and they're just an hour away from Stonehenge. There's certainly lots to explore in Jade's corner of the UK. Of course, if you're lucky, the best thing to explore is Lovely Jubbly's storefront or website. To see their entire selection of fabrics, patterns, and notions, visit their website at lovelyjubblyfabrics.co.uk. As always, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy stitching!